Hello everyone, a very fresh morning to all my viewers. Today we will learn about Fajan's rule. All of you have learned about ionic and covalent bonds. But no bond is 100% ionic or 100% covalent. Every covalent bond has some ionic character in it, and we can find the percentage of ionic character by using dipole moment. Similarly, every ionic bond has some covalent character in it, and this covalent character in ionic bond is studied by using Fajan's rules. Now, how does covalent character appears in an ionic bond? First, we will study that. Now, suppose there is a positive ion and a negative ion. Positive ion is smaller and negative ion is generally larger. So, cation is smaller and anion is larger in size. When they approach each other, what happens? The electron cloud of the anion, because it is large in size, its valence electrons will be away from the nucleus, so its electron cloud get easily attracted by the positive charge of the cation. So whenever cation approaches an anion, it deforms the electron cloud of the anion. How does it deform? Because its positive charge will attract the valence electron of the anion towards itself, because its Z effective is high, small size, high charge density. So positive charge will attract the electron cloud towards itself and it will get deformed. This deformation is known as polarization. So it is known as distortion of the electron cloud, it is known as deformation of the electron cloud, or it is known as polarization. What happens due to this polarization? Since this electron cloud is no longer symmetrical, it has become unsymmetrical. So since it has become unsymmetrical, there will be an electron density increase between the two ions. Since this electron density increases between the ions, there appears certain covalent character in ionic bond. So what is actually covalent bond? It is the sharing of electrons, and the shared pair means the electron density increases between the two atoms. So here also the electron density is increasing between the ions due to the deformation of the electron cloud. Due to this increased electron density between the ions, a covalent character will appear in an ionic bond, and this covalent character in an ionic bond is known as polarization. I hope this much is clear. Now, polarizing power of a cation, there are two terms, polarizing power and polarization. First, we will discuss them. So, what is polarizing power? Polarizing power is of cation. We studied for cation. What is polarizing power? Tendency to distort electron cloud of anion. So we talk about the polarizing power of cation, that how much it is polarizing the electron cloud. Polarizing means how much it is deforming the electron cloud of the anion. So this is polarizing power of cation, tendency to distort the electron cloud of anion. Second is polarization. Polarization appears of anion. Anion का polarization होता है means the distortion of electron cloud of anion is known as polarization. तो cation के लिए बोलते हैं उसकी polarizing power, how much its polarizing power is, and anion के लिए बोलते हैं polarization, how much it can be polarized by the cation. जितना ज़्यादा polarizing power होगी या जितना ज़्यादा polarization होगा, उतना ज़्यादा covalent character होगा ionic bond में. So these are the two terms. We will speak about polarizing power of cation and polarization of anion. Now the magnitude of polarization depends upon certain factors. First is charge on cation. See, greater is the charge on cation if the charge on cation is high. Charge on cation is high means if it has high positive charge on it. जितना ज़्यादा positive charge होगा उतना ज़्यादा डिस्टॉर्शन होगा इलेक्ट्रॉन क्लाउड का. ग्रेटर द पॉजिटिव चार्ज ऑन कैटायन, greater will be the distortion of the electron cloud and greater will be the polarization. So as the charge increases, polarization also increases. So polarization is directly proportional to charge on cation. Greater the charge, greater the polarization, greater will be the covalent character. जितना ज़्यादा पोलराइजेशन होगा उतना ज़्यादा कोवलेंट कैरेक्टर होगा कंपाउंड में. नाउ सिंस कोवलेंट कैरेक्टर इंक्रीजेज एंड वी नो दैट कोवलेंट बॉन्ड इज ए वीकर बॉन्ड देन आयनिक बॉन्ड. एक आयनिक बॉन्ड में कोवलेंट कैरेक्टर अपेयर हो रहा है. सो कोवलेंट बॉन्ड इज weaker than ionic bond. So what will happens to the melting point of the solid? Since covalent character increases, the melting point एंड बॉइलिंग पॉइंट विल डिक्रीज. तो जितना ज़्यादा कोवलेंट कैरेक्टर होगा कंपाउंड में उतना कम मेल्टिंग और बॉइलिंग पॉइंट होगा बिकॉज इट इज़ अ वीकर बॉन्ड एज कम्पेयर टू आयनिक बॉन्ड. एंड इफ वी टॉक अबाउट solubility in water, solubility will also decrease. Solubility we are talking about in water because a covalent compound generally does not dissolve in water because it is non-polar. So the solubility also decreases. So these are the factors you have to remember. As the charge on cation increases, polarization will increase. Polarization increase means covalent character will increase, melting and boiling point will decrease, and solubility in water will also decrease. These are three cases given: NaCl, MgCl2 and AlCl3. What is common? Cl is common in all of these. So we will not talk about the common thing. Let's discuss about sodium, magnesium and aluminium. Sodium has +1, magnesium has +2, aluminium has +3 charge. As the charge increases, charge is increasing, charge on cation is increasing. So the polarization power will increase. Polarization will increase, that means covalent character will also increase. So as the charge increases, covalent character increases. So this is the covalent character. So what will happen to the melting point? Melting point will decrease. So which has the lowest melting point? AlCl3 will have the maximum covalent character and minimum melting point. NaCl will have maximum ionic character and maximum boiling point, melting point. Now we will discuss about case second, PbCl2 and PbCl4. See, Cl is common in both of these. These are same metals. Now let us discuss about charge. Charge you can find, let's suppose X is the charge on it. Cl has -1 and 2 atoms are present, -2 is equal to, it is a neutral compound, so 0. So what is the charge? X is equal to +2. So there is a +2 charge here. PbCl4, suppose its charge is X. You don't know the charge on X. So X is the charge on Pb. Cl has -1 into 4 is equal to 0. X is equal to +4. So PbCl2 has +2, Pb has +4 here. So which has more covalent character? This one has more covalent character. Clear? Second case, next case is FeCl2 and FeCl3. Here charge is +2, here charge is +3. Greater the charge on cation, greater will be the covalent character, lower will be the melting point. So this plays an important role in discussing the properties of the inorganic compounds. When we discuss about the solubility, about the melting and boiling point, Fajans rule play an important role in arranging them in the increasing or decreasing order of different properties. Next is size of cation. As the size decreases, जितना छोटा size होगा cation का, suppose its size is this one, another cation is size is this one. So as the size decreases, and this is anion, जितना छोटा साइज होगा उतना Z effective ज़्यादा होगा. The electrons will be more closer to the nucleus. It will have higher Z effective. So Z effective will be higher in this case. Z effective high होगा तो electron cloud को ज़्यादा distort करेगा as compared to this one. So distortion will be more in case of small size. So polarization is inversely proportional to the size of cation. So smaller the size of cation, greater will be the polarization and greater will be the covalent nature. So it is directly proportional to covalent character. Now let us discuss, these are the elements of second group. Cl is common in all of these: beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium and barium. They belong to second group. Down the group, what happens? Down the group, size increases. Size, charge is same on all of these, चार्ज सब पे सेम होगा. So we will discuss about size. As the size increases, polarization will decrease. So polarization will decrease. As polarization will decrease, covalent character will also decrease. So which will have the highest or lowest melting point? Which will have the lowest melting point? Which will have the highest covalent character among these? In this order, covalent character is increasing, covalent character is decreasing, means beryllium chloride will be maximum ionic in nature. मैक्सिमम आयनिक नेचर होगा तो उसका मेल्टिंग और बॉइलिंग पॉइंट हाई होगा. सो दिस विल बी द ऑर्डर ऑफ मेल्टिंग एंड बॉइलिंग पॉइंट. And if we discuss, this is the order of melting point. If we discuss about covalent character will be maximum in this, then 2, 3, 4 and 5. So covalent character will decrease in this order, melting point will increase in this order. So we have arranged here on the basis of melting point. Next important factor is configuration of cations. See, we have two types of configuration: noble gas configuration. Noble gas configuration, you all know what is noble gas configuration. It is NS2NP6. This is the configuration of noble gas. It is known as noble gas configuration. One type of configuration is pseudo noble gas configuration. What is pseudo noble gas configuration? It is NS2, NP6 and D10. Have you seen this type of configuration in any of the atoms or ions? So suppose we are writing for copper, suppose. So what is the electronic configuration of copper? Atomic number 29. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3d10, 4s1. So what is the configuration? Outer shell configuration is n-1 d10 ns1. This is the configuration. If you are removing one electron, suppose you are writing for Cu plus, then what will be the configuration? It will be 1 electron will be removed from here. So configuration will be 3s2, 3p6, 3d10. And this is what is known as pseudo noble gas configuration. So pseudo noble gas configuration is possible only for cations. There is no atom for which you can write pseudo noble gas configuration. So it is possible only for cations when the valence electron has been removed. Copper के नीचे आता है silver and gold. All of them in +1 oxidation state will have pseudo noble gas configuration. Another one is zinc. It has 3d10, 4s2. If you remove 2 electrons, it will acquire the noble gas configuration again. So Zn के नीचे zinc, cadmium and mercury. And +2 oxidation state, they will have pseudo noble gas configuration. So you have to remember these 6 cases. In these 6 cases, you will come across pseudo noble gas configuration. Pseudo noble gas configuration means 18 electrons in the valence shell. तो इन सब के वैलेंस शेल में 18 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स प्रेजेंट होंगे. एंड वेन एवर एनी केटाइन हैज pseudo noble gas configuration, its polarizing power is more than the atom cations having noble gas configuration. Why? Because उसमें d इलेक्ट्रॉन्स भी हैं, shielding effect poor है, so their Z effective will be high. Since their Z effective will be high, they will attract the electron cloud of anion more strongly and distort it more strongly. So if we compare CuCl and NaCl, they have almost the same size. So Z effective will be high in copper as compared to sodium. Both have +1 charge. Z effective will be high in copper, so it will have more covalent character in it. So atom cations having pseudo noble gas configuration have more polarizing power as compared to cations having noble gas configuration, and they have more covalent character. Similarly, KCl and AgCl both have same charge, but since it has pseudo noble gas configuration, it will have higher polarizing power and so more covalent character in it. So this is the arrangement of covalent character. Since covalent character is high in AgCl, melting point will be lower as compared to KCl. Now next factor, important factor is size of anion. एनायन का साइज जितना बड़ा होगा उतना इजीली उसका इलेक्ट्रॉन क्लाउड डिस्टॉर्ट हो जाएगा. सपोज दिस इज द साइज ऑफ एनायन, इट्स इलेक्ट्रॉन क्लाउड कैन बी इजीली डिस्टॉर्टेड बाय द कैटायन बिकॉज इट विल बी अवे फ्रॉम द न्यूक्लियस. द इलेक्ट्रॉन क्लाउड और द वैलेंस शेल विल बी अवे फ्रॉम द न्यूक्लियस एंड इट कैन बी इजीली डिस्टॉर्टेड. तो इजीली डिस्टॉर्ट हो सकता है. तो जितना बड़ा साइज होगा, पोलराइजेशन is directly proportional to size of anion. So if we discuss in these, aluminum is common. Now F, Cl, Br and I. Size of anion increases. Size of anion increases means polarization will increase, so covalent character will also increase. So this is the order of covalent character. Clear? Next is LiCl, LiBr, Li. Lithium is common, Cl, Br and I. Size of anion increases, so covalent character will increase. Since covalent character is increasing, melting point and boiling point both will decrease. So covalent character is, the arrangement of covalent character is this one. So we have discussed 4 factors. First is size of cation. Second is charge on cation, third is configuration of cation, and fourth is size of anion. These 4 factors which affect the degree of polarization in an ionic bond are known as Fajans rule, and on the basis of Fajans rule we can compare the covalent character in different molecules. This percentage of covalent character in an ionic bond greatly affects the properties of the compound, and we can apply Fajans rule to a number of molecules to compare their properties. So that's all. I hope you have understood the concept. If you like the video, please do share and subscribe it. Thank you.